Okay, so today you are going to be writing your introduction using an essay organizer, your introduction to your argumentative essay. So yesterday you should have come up with an outline. The outline basically stated which of the two articles on obesity you believe was more persuasive. Your first body paragraph, you outlined that. You said why you think that one article is more persuasive. And then the second one, you say why you think that this argument is a little bit weaker than the other argument. So today you're doing your introduction. Let's talk a little bit about how this introduction is going to look different from standard introductions. So usually we do a hook, a tag where we introduce whatever book or article we're talking about, and then we do a summary, and then we do a claim. This time we have two different works that we're introducing. So we need a hook like usual, but then we need to introduce two different articles. So here you would introduce maybe the first article, what is it, Obesity Epidemic Astronomical by Morgan Griffin, and it's an article. And then you explain sort of what the main argument of that is. And then same thing for the second section, explain what the main argument of the second article is while you're introducing that article, and then state your claim, which one you think has the more valid reasoning behind it and why. Hopefully this will be pretty straightforward. Again, you can use your outline to put your claim into your essay. Make sure it's like good and clean and shiny and professional looking. Don't just write this one is better because blah, 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 write a full complete sentence, because at the end of the week, you're going to copy and paste all of your sentences out of this, and you're going to put them together into one essay. So you want this to be as polished as humanly possible. The final thing that I will say is that the thing about argumentative essays is that they are about evaluating arguments and saying why you think certain arguments are stronger than other arguments. So don't just say don't just summarize the article and say I think this one is stronger because it says this thing. Tell me why that thing that they said was more convincing. Tell me because this person uses scientific data that disproves the other author, or because this one has more practical advice than the other one. There's a lot of different ways that you can assess why one argument is stronger than the other. And if you are convinced by something, then there is something in there that is working on you. You just need to identify what is it that's making this article more convincing than the other one, right? So best of luck with your introductions. I'm sure you're going to do great. This should be completed by tonight. Tomorrow there will be another box in the same document that has a body paragraph. So thank you guys. I am excited to see what you do. And if you have any questions, please, please, please email me. I'm here to answer questions. I want you guys to succeed on this. So have a good day. I'll talk to you later.